D is for dog with Hopi. Hopi skipped across the grass until she found a giant, glowing blue door. It was shaped just like the letter D. What is inside? Hopi wondered with a giggle. She reached for the golden handle to see what D-themed surprises were waiting. Woof, woof. Out tumbled Dax the dog. Dax had a very waggy tail and a bright red collar with white dots. He licked Hopi's hand and gave a happy bark. D is for dog. Hopi shouted, hugging her new furry friend. Dax started to wiggle, and Hopi started to jiggle. They began a dazzling dance. They twirled around and around in a field of fluffy yellow dandelions. Look at us go, Dax! Hopi laughed as they spun. They danced all the way to a deep blue pond. There, they met Dilly the duck. Dilly was busy splashing her wings and shaking her feathers. Quack, quack! Dax sniffed the water while Dilly bobbed up and down. Are you hungry, Dilly? Hopi asked. She found a basket full of delicious, giant donuts. There were pink ones with sprinkles and chocolate ones too. Hopi and Dilly shared a sweet snack by the water's edge. Suddenly, a loud sound echoed through the trees. Boom-ba-doom. Boom-ba-doom. Hopi and Dax perked up their ears. That sounds like a drum, Hopi said. They followed the rhythmic beat down a winding dirt path. Behind a big oak tree sat Dino. Dino was a friendly green dinosaur with a very long neck. He was holding to huge drumsticks and hitting a set of bright purple drums. He was the best drummer in the forest. Can I play too? Hopi asked. Dino handed Hopi a small tambourine. Hopi and Dino made a wonderful noise together. Clatter-clank, boom-boom. The music was so loud and happy that the leaves on the tree shook. As the sun began to go down, the sky turned a soft shade of purple. Tiny, glowing dragonflies zoomed through the air like little helicopters. Hopi and Dax watched them sparkle in the twilight. Everything is so beautiful, Hopi whispered. It was time for the adventure to end. Hopi climbed into her cozy bed with Dax curled up at her feet. D is for dog and D is for dreams, Hopi said as she closed her eyes. It was the most delightful day of all. D is for dog with Hopi. Subscribe Hopi and Friends.